We could use the rain that is coming at the end of this week.
For sure. People have anecdotally noticed this for a while. We've had a really dry stretch. We're going to get some rain Thursday, Friday, probably some more next week. So I think we probably won't put it to bed, but it will definitely make a big difference.
Right.
Yeah. So we'll take a look at that. First, let's start with today, which was mild in a lot of spots. Mid-50s in Portland and Wiscasset, advertised down to 47 this time of the year. So that 55, 56 is maybe a bigger number than you think in your head. Here's our storm that's going to give us rain Thursday afternoon, Thursday night into Friday. There's a lot going on with this storm. The low's back here just north of Minneapolis. There's another low that's going to pinwheel around that and then transfer to yet another low into the mid-Atlantic, and that's the one that'll move towards us. But the models have pretty well resolved how that's all going to evolve. So now it's just a matter of details for us as far as rainfall amounts and the exact timing. In between, it's going to be quiet. Tonight, temperatures upper 30s, low 40s, pretty mild for this time of the year. Clouds will increase. And I think we start with some sun over southern and western Maine, especially tomorrow morning. But from northeast to southwest, clouds get in here, and I think we're overcast in most spots by the afternoon right before sunset. We're cloudy overnight tomorrow night, which will be really mild in the mid and upper 40s during the overnight. And then we start Thursday cloudy. So we talk about rain on Thursday, and your app's going to show you a bunch of raindrops on Thursday. But during the day, for most of us, it's dry. It's just cloudy until late afternoon. Here we are at 1 o'clock. The rain's right here. But look how long it takes to kind of pivot itself around and then move into Maine. This is 1 o'clock, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 o'clock. It went from here to here basically in about 7 or 8 hours. And then it speeds up through the evening, Thursday night into Friday. Periods of heavy rain in there, some real downpours are possible. Then we're still dealing with rain over the northern half of the state on Friday while the low gets stacked over southern Maine, and we may briefly get a period of some sunshine in there. So there's that low to our south wrapped up. Then it's stacked on Friday with off and on rain on Friday. Again, a few breaks, but I think it's going to be fairly wet for most of the state. And even some periods of rain on Saturday morning before we start to clear out Saturday afternoon, and then Sunday we do dry out and it's breezy on the backside. Total rainfall amounts have ticked up. They're going to be south of flooding, but north of helping us with the drought. So that's a good place to be at. Looking kind of busy next week. There's something poking around here for Thanksgiving. I don't know exactly what it is. There's a low, there might be some mixing, likely some rain. It doesn't look quiet though. We'll try to nail that down as we get closer. Obscure stat. So here's an interesting thing. If you pull up year-to-date rainfall in a place like Portland, we're average. However, if you go from September 1st through today, it is the driest such stretch we've ever had there. So from the 1st through now, it's the least amount of rain we've ever gotten in there. And that's what we're feeling now.
Right.
It's not a year-long thing. It's just what was really quite an amazing fall has caught up to us, and this will help over the next week or so.
We could use it for sure.
Yeah.
Keith, thank you.